Two category leaders, one showdown. Pipedrive versus Intercom. Which one truly delivers? On the left, Pipedrive, the visual sales pipeline CRM. And on the right, Intercom, conversational customer support and messaging. Let's skip the buzzwords and get down to the real features. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll have a clear winner in 2025. The result might just surprise you. Okay, before we get deep, here's a quick mind map of everything we're going to cover. Price, features, usability, reporting and analytics, and who exactly each tool is best for. That way, you can follow along as we jump between categories. Let's kick off with price, because honestly, isn't that usually what decides things? So, Pipedrive's got a super low starting price, like under $10 a month, which is awesome for smaller teams or if you just want something simple and affordable. You get clear, transparent tiers, and you know what? It doesn't feel like you're getting nickel and dimed for basic stuff. Now, Intercom, yeah, it's way pricier. Their base plan starts at $29 per month, and the more you want, the more you pay. Features stack up, and so does your bill. Great if you need all those communication bells and whistles, but it can sting. In this round, if you want maximum value for less cash, Pipedrive is the clear winner. Next up, let's talk features. And this one's juicy. Pipedrive is all about visualizing your sales pipeline. You can automate tasks, track activities, and seriously, it's like Lego blocks for sales. Everything fits where you want it. The catch? It's not really built for live chat magic. Now, Intercom? Whew, this is where they shine. Advanced live chat, automated onboarding, all your customer conversations in one place, plus integrations galore. If you need one hub for talking to customers, especially with automation, Intercom is king. Not quite as customizable as Pipedrive, and setup's kinda tricky, but the feature set is hard to beat. So, for sheer power, Intercom comes out on top here. Usability time. So Pipedrive is honestly super user-friendly. You sign up, set it up, and you're rolling. Super intuitive UI, and even if you're new to CRMs, you just get it. Only thing missing is fancy in-app help, but honestly, you probably won't need it. Intercom, on the other hand, gives you loads of guides and onboarding materials. But, and this matters, the initial setup is a bit heavier. More moving parts, more configuration, so it kind of slows down those first few days. If you want speed and simplicity, Pipedrive nails this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Intercom basically invented in-app chat for SaaS? Some clients have seen their customer retention jump by 25%. That's wild. Imagine what a chat bubble could do for your bottom line. Reporting and analytics. Let's see who's keeping score. With Pipedrive, you get solid sales reports and can track your deals, so you always know what's in the pipeline. However, if you're curious about customer interactions and deep dives into how people are using your chat, that's a little basic. Intercom flips it. Tons of analytics for customer conversations and engagement stats, so you can see who's talking to you and how often. The catch? Some of those cool reports need a pricier plan. So, honestly, both do a good job, but each is a little niche. For reporting, we're calling this a tie. All right, last up, target use case. If you're on a micro or SMB sales team and just want organized pipeline management, Pipedrive is totally your jam. It keeps things neat and tidy. Seriously, it's made for sales-first folks. But if your main thing is chatting with customers and automating onboarding in your web app, Intercom is the clear fit. You get brilliant messaging, great automation, but not gonna lie, the sales management side isn't as laser-focused as Pipedrive. So, depending on what you actually need, it's a tie on use case. Picture this. If you mapped both tools across all categories, you'd see Pipedrive crushing value, speed, and simplicity, while Intercom is ruling features and pro-level messaging. The radar chart? Two very different strengths, depending on what you need. So, for the final verdict, if you're a sales team or SMB hunting for clarity, workflow, and a no-nonsense CRM, Pipedrive's tough to beat. Intercom, though, is a beast for customer engagement. They automate literally everything for support or SaaS platforms. The winner depends on your priorities, but dollar for dollar, Pipedrive has the edge for most small businesses. Want the nitty-gritty details? Hit me up for deep dives into features. Or let me know if you want real user reviews with the horror stories and the wins.